If you've been thinking about starting your freelancing journey online, Upwork is one of the best places to begin. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to create your Upwork account quickly and easily, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have your account set up and ready to start landing clients. Let's get started. Open your internet browser and go to upwork.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner. You'll see a green sign up button. Go ahead and click it. You'll now be asked to enter an email address. Make sure it's one you have access to because Upwork will need to verify it. Type in the email you want to use, then click Continue. Next, create a secure password and check the box confirming that you agree to Upwork's terms of service. Once that's done, click Sign Up. Now, Upwork will ask what type of account you want to create. If you're looking to hire people, you would select Client. But if you want to work and get paid, as most new users do, select Freelancer. From here, you'll be taken to the first part of your profile setup. Fill in your name, select your country from the list, and continue. Upwork will then tell you that your account has been created, but you'll need to verify your email. So head over to your inbox, open the email from Upwork, and click the verification link. Once you do, your account is officially verified. After that, you'll be guided through building your freelancer profile. This part takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and Upwork saves your progress automatically. You can answer each question and move through the steps, or if you want to finish it later, you can choose skip for now at the bottom. Just remember that a complete profile gives you a better chance of getting hired. Once you finish or skip those steps, your Upwork account is ready to go. You can start browsing jobs, applying for roles, or creating services for clients to purchase. And that's it, your Upwork account is live. If this walkthrough helped you, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials that make online freelancing easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.